Hey, what's up? This is J. Lucky Henry. So today, we're going to talk about different types of houses, and these are called bungalows. Get ready. This is J. Lucky Henry, Keller Williams agent in the greater Boston area. You won't believe how many people need to get real. R-E-A-L. Real estate explained amazingly by Lucky in 90 seconds, give or take. Welcome back. It's J. Lucky Henry. So we're talking about bungalows today. Now, bungalows are these cute little picturesque type houses, right? In Boston, they're really popular around like Dorchester, Hyde Park, Brighton, different places, Mattapan. But bungalows basically, how can you tell if you're looking at a bungalow? So a bungalow has a low pitch roof, really deep eaves. That's how you can tell from the outside, right? That little piece that's hanging over the roof, from the roof hanging over the side of the house, it's really deep, right? And on the inside, they tend to have exposed rafters, nice high rafters exposed, and a lot of single floor living with huge open concept styles. Now I say huge because it just seems huge because it's open, but bungalows can be really tiny or moderate size or even bigger. So have I sold one of these? Yeah, sold one actually in Beverly. It was super cute. The deal wasn't cute. It took a long time to get that deal closed, but the property was super cute. And my prediction for bungalows is kind of exactly what happened to the one I sold, is that a lot of them had got drop ceilings during the 80s to when oil got really expensive and they wanted to keep the prices of heating the house down. So they have a lot of drop ceilings covering up those exposed rafters. I predict that as the baby boomer generation gets bigger and bigger in 2019, 2020, 2021, right? Well, not bigger, but as they continue to grow, since they're so big of a generation, they're gonna want more single level living. And as they want more single level living, they're gonna come in, buy a lot of bungalows, rip out that old drop ceiling, expose those beautiful rafters, and have beautiful, cute, one-level living houses that they can enjoy that are spacious and open concept, right? So it seems like they were popular in the early turn of the century, and I think they're gonna make a strong comeback in terms of demand. I don't know that I think more gonna be built, but in terms of demand, because they meet the needs of open concept, right, which is a trend right now, the single floor living, which is gonna be huge for that large generation of baby boomers, and sick design with the open rafters. So check out bungalows, right? For those of you downsizing, it's a great option, and you probably have already started looking, so call me if you need them. All right, it's been real. It's been 90. Gotta go. Be back tomorrow with another video. This is J. Lucky Henry, and I'm here to keep it real with you. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, call or text 978-712-0244, and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more. Another way they ask me how I know it'll be okay.